Good morning, dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are safe in your home. Let's start our class. Are you ready to study mathematics? Okay. Do you remember what we have studied in the last class? Yeah, we have studied about polygons, right? Then how to name a polygon using their number of sides, and also we have studied about the sum of inner angles of a polygon. Okay, then can anyone say some examples for polygons from our real life situations? Okay, very good. Lines on the body of giraffe. Okay, then some floor tiles. Okay, I will show you a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, can you read that? Okay, lines on the body of a giraffe. Then raw beeswax. Then rooftop of buildings. Each face of a Rubik's cube. Floor tiles. Football. Ball. Swing sets or play sets. Certain coins. Signboards. All these are examples for polygons from our real life situations. Okay, can anyone define a polygon? What is the definition for a polygon? Very good. A polygon is a simple closed figure having 3 or more sides and all these sides are straight lines. Okay, a polygon is a simple closed figure having 3 or more sides and all these sides are straight lines. Okay, then can anyone say what is the name of a three-sided polygon? We have already studied about polygons, names of the polygons using their number of sides. Then what is the name of a three-sided polygon? Very good, it is a triangle. Okay, then what is the name of a four-sided polygon? It is quadrilateral. Very good. Then can anyone say what is the name of a five-sided polygon? Very good, it is pentagon. Okay, then what is the sum of inner angles of a polygon? Yeah, it is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Then what is this n stands for? N is the number of sides of a polygon. Okay, then can anyone say what is the sum of exterior angles of a polygon? Do you know that? What is the sum of exterior angles of a polygon, or what is the sum of outer angles of a polygon? Okay, you don't know that. Now, today we are going to study about sum of outer angles of a polygon. Okay, then what is the name of the smallest polygon? Very good, it is triangle. Okay, then this is a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 angles. Okay, a polygon have its number of sides and its angles are equal. Okay, here a triangle is here. Then the number of sides 1, 2, 3. Here we have a 3-sided polygon. The number of vertices is 3. Okay, then what is the sum of inner angles of a triangle? We considered a 3-sided polygon. A 3-sided polygon. Okay, then what is the sum of inner angles of a polygon? Inner angles of a triangle or a 3-sided polygon. How can we find that? Using the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. Here we have a 3-sided polygon. Here number of sides is 1, 2 and 3. Here n is 3. 3 minus 2 into 180 degree, right? 3 minus 2 into 180 degree. Here it is 1 into 180 degree. Therefore, the sum of inner angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. Sum of inner angles of a 3-sided polygon is 180 degree. Then what is the number of vertices? Here number of vertices and the number of sides are equal. Therefore, number of vertices is equal to 3. Okay, then can anyone know what is the total sum of inner and outer angles? Inner and outer angles of a 3-sided polygon. Do you know that? Here we have two angles, an inner angle and an outer angle. Okay, here the total sum of these two angles will be what? Very good, it is 180 degree. Then can anyone say what is the name of these two pairs of angles? It is a linear pair. Okay, you have studied about linear pair in 7th standard. Do you remember that? Okay, then can anyone define a linear pair? Okay, a linear pair have a common vertex, then the non-common sides are in opposite direction. Non-common sides are in opposite direction, and also these two angles are supplementary. That is, the sum of these two angles, sum of inner and outer angle at this vertex is 180 degree. Then what about at this vertex? It is also 180 degree. And what about at this vertex? It is also 180 degree. Therefore, the total sum of inner and outer angle at all these three vertices are 180 plus 180 plus 180. Okay. Therefore, we have to find the total sum. Total sum of inner and outer angles. The total sum of inner and outer angle at all these three vertices, that is 3 into 180 degree. What is 3 into 180 degree? It is 540. Okay. Therefore, we got that the total sum of inner and outer angle at all these three vertices are 540 degree. Okay, we have it is 540 degree. Now, we have the total sum of inner and outer angle at all these three vertices, and also we have sum of inner angles of a triangle. If we subtract sum of inner angles from the total sum of inner and outer angles, we will get the sum of outer angles. Okay, we have to find the sum of outer angles of a three-sided polygon. Here we have the total sum of inner and outer angles. Okay, also we have the sum of inner angles. For finding sum of outer angles of a three-sided polygon, we have to subtract 180 degree from 540 degree. That is 540 minus 180. What is the answer? 540 minus 180 gives? Very good. It is 360 degree. Okay. Then what is the sum of inner angles of a triangle? 180 degree, and the number of vertices is 3, and the total sum of inner and outer angles is 540 degree, and last we have find the sum of outer angles as 540 degree minus 180 degree, that is 360 degree. Okay, do you understand this? How to find the sum of outer angles of a three-sided polygon? Okay, let's complete our activity card. Okay. Here we have a three-sided polygon. Then what is the number of sides and vertices? It is 3, right? Then the sum of inner angles is 180 degree. Very good. It is 180 degree. Then the sum of inner and outer angles is? Yeah, very good. It is 540 degree. Then we have find that the sum of outer angles of a three-sided polygon is? Yeah, very good. It is 360 degree. Okay, do you understand how to find the total sum of, not total sum, the sum of outer angles of a three-sided polygon? Okay, then you can find the sum of outer angles of a four-sided polygon and a five-sided polygon and also a six-sided polygon. Do it as a homework. Okay, now we are going to find the sum of outer angles of an n-sided polygon. What? The sum of outer angles of an n-sided polygon. N-sided polygon. Okay, first we have found the sum of outer angles of a three-sided polygon. Okay, now we are considering an n-sided polygon. Here, what is the number of sides and vertices? We have studied that number of vertices and sides of any polygon are, every polygon are equal. Okay, then here we have an n-sided polygon. Number of sides will be n. Okay, then what about the number of vertices? Very good, it is also n. Then number of vertices. Number of vertices of an n-sided polygon is n. Okay, then what was the next step? First we have found the number of vertices. Then the next step will be, yes, very good, it is, we have to find the sum of inner angles of an n-sided polygon. Therefore, the sum of inner angles of an n-sided polygon. What is the formula for finding the sum of inner angles of a polygon? Very good, it is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Therefore, here sum of inner angles of an n-sided polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Here n stands for number of sides. Okay, here number of sides and vertices are equal. Therefore, we have taken number of vertices as n. Now, we have to calculate the total sum of inner and outer angles. Okay, total sum of inner and outer angles is equal to, how can we find that? In the case of a triangle or a three-sided polygon, we have three vertices and at each vertex we have the total sum of inner and outer angle as 180 degree. Okay, then for an n-sided polygon also we have n vertices. The number of vertices is n. Okay, then at each vertex of an n-sided polygon, we have the sum of inner and outer angle as 180 degree. Okay, that each pairs are linear pairs, right? Therefore, at each vertex of an n-sided polygon, the sum of inner and outer angle will be 180 degree. Here we have n vertices. Therefore, what is the total sum of inner and outer angles? Very good. It will be n into 180 degree. That is number of vertices into 180 degree. That is, we have to take the total sum of 180 plus 180 plus 180 up to n times, right? Therefore, we can consider it as n into 180 degree, the product of number of vertices and 180 degree. Here we have n into 180 degree. Then what is the next step? Very good. We have to subtract sum of inner angles from the total sum of inner and outer angles. Okay. Then sum of outer angles. Sum of outer angles is equal to, here what is the total sum of inner and outer angle? 180 degree. N into 180 degree. Here n into 180 degree minus sum of inner angles. Okay. N minus 2 into 180 degree. Here what is the product 180 into n or n into 180? It is 180 n minus, here we have n into 180 as 180 n and minus 2 into 180, it is 360 degree. Okay, then 180 n minus, open this bracket, here minus, here we have a minus sign. Okay, then this 180 n becomes minus 180 n, and from this minus and this minus, it becomes plus 360 degree. Here we have 180 n minus 180 n. So, we can cancel this. The result will be 360 degree. Okay. We have found the sum of outer angles. Sum of outer angles of an n-sided polygon as 360 degree. First, we have found that for a three-sided polygon, the sum of outer angles is 360 degree. And for an n-sided polygon, the number of sides will be n. Okay, then the number of, the sum of outer angles of an n-sided polygons will be 360 degree. So, if we are considering any polygon with any number of sides, the total sum or the total sum of outer angles will be 360 degree. Okay, do you understand this? Do you understand how to find the total sum of outer angles of a polygon? Okay. Here we have found that the sum of outer angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Then what about the sum of outer angles of a quadrilateral? Okay, it is also 360 degree, right? Then, okay, now we have to read the chart. The outer angles of a polygon. The outer angles of a polygon. Okay, can anyone read? Can anyone read this? Outer angles of a polygon. The sum of outer angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Okay, repeat this. The sum of outer angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Okay. Let's do a problem. Okay, can you see the problem in the PowerPoint? Okay. We are given with an 18-sided polygon, right? We are given with an 18-sided polygon. Here the question is, all angles in an 18-sided polygon are equal. Here we have given with an 18-sided polygon. What? An 18-sided polygon. Okay. Then we are given that each angles of this polygon are equal. It is not specified that it is inner angle or an outer angle. We can take it as the inner angles. Okay. Here we are given with an 18-sided polygon and all the inner angles are equal. If all the inner angles are equal, what about the outer angles? Very good. It is also equal, right? Then this implies that all the outer angles are equal. We have to find the measurement of each outer angle. Okay. We know that the sum of outer angles of a polygon. What is the sum of outer angles of a polygon? Very good. It is 360 degree. Here we have the sum of outer angle. Here we have the sum of outer angles is equal to 360 degree and all these outer angles are equal and the number of sides is 18. Okay, the number of sides is 18 and all these angles are equal and also we have the sum of outer angles. So, to find the measurement of each outer angle is equal to what? Each outer angle is equal to 360 degree divided by 18. Very good. It is 360 degree divided by 18. Each outer angle is equal to 360 degree divided by 18. The answer will be 20. Okay. Here we are given with an 18-sided polygon and also we have to calculate each measurement of each outer angle. Here we are taken the sum of outer angles. We know that the sum of outer angles of a polygon is 360 degree. We divided it with 18. Therefore, we get the answer as 20 degree. For an 18-sided polygon, each outer angle is 20 degree. Okay. Okay, now you have a homework question. Take it out. Can you see the question? Okay, find all the inner and outer angles of the given quadrilateral. Okay, hope all of you understand today's class. Let's wind up our class and see you in the next class. Okay, thank you.